Tell you what, it's colder than a witch's titty out here today. Nothing stops the bamboo journey. Who is this? Yeah, these nuts. Have you ever had a really good idea and then you get online and you research it and you find out that, oh, this has been a thing for a long time. For a really long time. Well, I don't know about really long time, but it's a thing, been a thing, very much a thing. So my idea is just not as good as I thought it was, guys. You know, that sucks. But that doesn't stop me from doing my own version and being original in my own way. Because guess what? Not once have I come across a bamboo water balloon launcher. We can shoot water balloons. Maybe this is the best time of the year to shoot a water balloon. I mean, when would you want to be hit by a water balloon? In the middle of the summer or when it's cold out? You'd want to be hit in the summer, right? So if you're really trying to put some damage on your target, let me know in the comments, when's the best time to shoot somebody with a water balloon? You know, hey, I'm just saying, I'm just, you know what, we're real on this channel. We speak our mind. We do what we say we're gonna do. We don't care if any 17 of you don't like it. We don't care. Last video, guys, got over, I think it's got like 80 views, 60 views, 80 views, something like that. If you guys keep this up, I'm gonna have to retire from YouTube. I mean, there's no point in me hogging up all the fan base, you know what I mean? I'm gonna build something. It is way too cold for it. But we're still gonna do it because this is the Doing Stuff channel, and on this channel, we do stuff. Whether you like it or not, I'll show you what I'm dealing with. You guys know what this is? You guys know? If you've been on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube at all in the past, I don't know, year, there's a good chance you've seen this material used. Ready for this, guys? Watch. Crazy. Instantly, 95 million views. You may or may not have seen this material be incorporated with bamboo. This is latex tubing. And pretty much any like slingshot you see on the market or on the shelf. Have you ever had a slingshot? Ever seen a slingshot? You know, this is the material. Okay. The idea I had for the bamboo war was to step it up a notch and make a giant slingshot, which turns out to be just a water balloon launcher, really, is what it ends up being. But what makes this design unique, you can shoot it yourself, and it can also be shot with multiple people. So here's the idea. I've went ahead and pre-selected a scrap piece that I'm going to use. What is that, 7 inches right there? 7 inches that way. It's a lot easier to find dead center just with your eye. And guys, we're not building a house. We got 2 handles. We're gonna run it through both. Friend stands over here, friend stands over here. The person who's shooting it's in the middle. We need a pouch for that. So we got some designing stuff to figure out, guys. We gotta figure out how we're doing the pouch. I ran out of daylight. You know what time it is, guys. It's time to get the old truck bed cover. You know the whole shit show. It's like barely not big enough. So what I've been doing is I've been like zooming in like that to kind of block it out. And when you do that, it screws up like the picture quality a little bit, and it messes up with like, you know, distances. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I don't really care. Yeah, these nuts. Are you in my head right now? Are you thinking what I'm thinking when it comes to making a pouch? You know how we like to repurpose stuff? Like I repurposed this old truck bed that I just have no idea what to do with. So if you take a look here on this table, you see all this, you see that? I got a hair dryer out here, guys. But what I want you to see right now, all of this scrap bamboo, okay? We need to either use it, get rid of it. We need to do something with it because it's cluttering up my workspace. Now what we want to do is we want to take some twine so I just ran a piece of jute string through both sides, and I can tie them off top and bottom like a little pouch thing. I'm going to take one of these handles off, and we're going to try to run our latex tubing through the top piece. And then see, that's where the string is going to be a problem. Oh, we got it. So we got the top piece, guys. All right. So now we need to get the bottom piece through. We need to get the bottom piece, or this could be the top. I guess it don't really matter, bottom or top. Oh, money. Okay, so now we have a handle. Now you might be able to see more about what's going on. So now we take our handle through this part. Somehow we need to attach these together. For now, we'll just tie a knot, I guess. That will probably never get out. I'll just tie a knot like that. So, yeah, that was a bad idea. Did we just build the first bamboo water balloon launcher? But we're not done yet. We're not done yet. I want to put a handle on this somehow, so that way whenever we're shooting it, we can grab it just one-handed. For a handle, guys, what I'm going to do is, for now, I'm just going to take a piece of this jute twine. You guys like simple. That's something I've learned about you guys. So if I make this too nice and pretty, you guys won't like it. It's something I've learned about YouTube. I don't know what it is. So what I can do is I can take this jute twine and I can take it underneath like this, okay, underneath the middle, so that when I pull it, it keeps the balloon inside. But we need to also know to be careful, because if we pull it too hard, it might too much pressure on our balloon and actually bust it. So I'm gonna make like a little handle, guys, about right there. Okay, whoop, too much. Probably about like that. Okay. Now we have a handle that we can use. I really think it's gonna work. I think so. So here's the thing, guys. First of all, what do you think about my design where I did it by myself with the 2 bamboo?
It was bad because the bamboo sticks weren't weighted down so that they kept moving.
So they weren't strong enough?
Yeah.
So the bamboo poles weren't strong enough. What about you guys? Do you think you were strong enough to hold it?
Yes, but she kept doing this.
I didn't.
You were being a little bit weird.
She was going.
I think the lesson we learned was, first of all, we didn't make enough water balloons. How many water balloons did we have?
Like 5.
We had
and
like
then one
6.
girl because of Olivia's nails because she's a Sephora kid.
So Olivia's got like long nails. Show them your nails. Just holding a balloon, she busted a balloon. I only made like what, 5 or 6 before we even left?
6. Like 3 of them popped in the truck.
We lost a couple of water balloons on the way. We didn't make enough in the beginning. Then we lost a couple on the way.
Then I popped one.
Then she popped one with her eagle claws. And, you know, you think she's the crazy one, but no, trust me. She was the crazy one. But what's the good news that we can take away from it? Did anything good come of this? Did anything good happen?
Yes.
What?
We did one.
We did shoot it one time, guys. So, that said, thanks for watching.
Coming.
We'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one.